While we keep safe by staying home, many of us are feeling cooped up.
So News Channel 9 Storm Team meteorologist Lindsay Rachel gives us a couple of options to enjoy nature right from your home.
Have you heard them lately?
You might notice one flying through your yard over and over again with a little bit of fluff in its mouth.
Birds are everywhere, and now that we're spending more time at home, take a gander in your own backyard.
Well, one thing that you can start doing now is looking for nests. Birds, lots of them like robins and cardinals, and some of the birds that a lot of us are hearing during their dawn chorus displays, which is what you were observing, they're starting to build nests now.
Want to invite a flock to the yard? If you don't already have a bird bath, make your own.
You can just put out a tray with water. That will attract all kinds of birds, and you don't even need the trouble of buying birdseed. Offer foods that are healthy and clean and fresh, just as you would if you were having guests come to your house.
You can find ways to make your own bird feeder at home with supplies that are already in your home. I found this one where it requires a clean plastic bottle. All you got to do is poke a few holes, give the birds a place to rest, attach some strings so you can hang it from a tree, and fill it up with some birdseed.
You can also do things like leave a little patch of your yard kind of messy, because grass will grow and go to seed, and birds will eat that seed, and so will insects. So it will create a wonderful habitat for not just birds, but other creatures as well.
Lindsay Rachel, News Channel 9.
And we love all the photos of birds that you share with us. Submit a photo for Picture of the Day, post it on our Facebook page.